Hi, I'm Garrett Froggatte. I'm the teaching professional here at the club at Flying Horse, and today what I want to do is give you a little understanding on how to fix that slice. So when you are slicing the ball, what actually happens is, I have an impact bag here to illustrate the ball. When you slice the ball, it looks like this. Your swing path goes to the left, and yet still the ball goes to the right. It's crazy when you think about it at first, because you're trying not to hit it over there, but the more you swing over here, the more it goes over there. So how does that happen, and why does that happen? Well, it happens because how you create spin on a ball is when the club goes like this, it cuts across it, creating this. So then that's what makes the ball go to the right. And so as long as the club face is a little bit pointed right when you hit the ball, you're going to slice it. So in order to get the ball to curve to the left, what you have to do is you got to turn back and get that bag to go to the right, which creates the spin that would curve to the left. So in order to put correct spin on the ball, you have to hit across the bag this way with the club pointing to the left. So as you come through, you want to feel like the bag is spinning to the right and the club is pointing to the left. So if I did this drill, and this would be a great drill for you at home, if you got an impact bag, and you can get one of these from Eyeline Golf, it's called an impact cube. And what you do is you're going to turn back and hit the bag and see if you can get that bag to go to the right. So if you're doing that, that means you're not slicing, but it actually means you're swinging, called in to out. So once you can do that, then you're ready to try a ball. And a way you can do that is if you take a tee and you put it out to the right of the ball like that. Your goal is to see if you can hit the ball and clip the tee. So can I swing across, hit the ball, and clip the tee, which would mean I'd be spinning that bag to the right. So in doing that, that's going to create that type of spin or shot that would create a draw and not a slice. So if you get set up, and then just see if you can hit the ball and clip that tee like you're spinning the bag. And that will begin the process of creating some really good things in your swing and changing a slice into a beautiful draw.